Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to sign up on Calendly. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So search for Calendly and you just need to click on the website. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you will see an interface like this and you will see an option called sign up. You can click on it or either you can click on get started. I'm just going to click on get started. It is the same thing. You can put your email address here and click on get started, but many people have a Google account or Microsoft account, so you can also do that. So I'm just going to click on get started. So simply click on get started, and as you can see my account already exists with this email address. So I will just click on sign up with Google, and as you can see it is telling me to choose an account. So I will just simply choose this account and click on allow. Many people have a Google account, that's why it's easier. And there you go, we have successfully created a Calendly account with a Google account. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon, have a good day.